Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll teach you guys how I did this Ghana cornrow wig. So if you want to know how I did it, so I started from the DIY of doing the Ghana cornrow itself to when I attach it to the wig. So if you want to know how I did it, you just have to stay tuned and don't skip, keep on watching. You will see how I achieved it. As for my new viewers, the people that just stop by today, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell because I have a lot of things to put up to you guys. So the only way you can support me is just clicking that notification bell, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So as for the old subscribers, thank you for stopping by because it really means a lot to me. So guys, after you finish doing the Ghana weaving cornrow, the next thing you're going to do is to put it inside the hot water. Then you start sewing it inside the cap, just as I'm doing it on the camera. So I wanted to skip to make the time a little bit as in to make it shorter, but I needed to do the first one so that people will understand how I did the first one, because of that XX, that small thing that looks like ear on a cap. It really affects some people when they are doing wig. So that's why I decided to play this video from the start first before I now skipped, just as you are doing it. Now, because I was using color 33 for this wig, I didn't want to use, because the first one I did, I used the black thread and I saw that the black thread was showing on the wig. So I decided to do something different. What I did this time is that I now took a little bit of the braid, that's the expression braid I'm using for the wig. I took a little bit of it and used it to do my own thread, turn it to a thread. That expression braid that is inside this needle now, not a normal thread that we used to sew wig. So why I did that is that so that even if I sew it out or on top of the braid, nobody will notice that this is the line of the sewing. It will just look like normal Ghana cornrow attaching braid. You'll not even notice it. So that's why I use this method. Though sorry, I would have shown you guys how I did it, how I pinch it out and put it inside the needle. Though it's very easy for you to do. So guys, I really hope that this will help someone and you guys will learn something from it. So definitely I will try my best to be consistently to be posting different type of things, anything that come up, but all I need is just your support by subscribing, commenting, and giving it a big thumbs up. So guys, as you can see how I'm doing it on the video, it's very easy. When I did it, I was very impressed about it. Though it's the first one I did, my first time was the time I used the black thread, which didn't come out well. So I now did this second one, and even that one I did, I was showing you with the black thread. They bought it, and this one too, the same thing. So I just hope someone will learn something out of it, because and just stay tuned. I had something different that is coming your way. So love you guys. Let's enjoy the video. So guys, another thing is this. Please, you're free to make any correction. I just need you to correct me anyway. In short, I'm not perfect as much. Comment down below what else you want me to put on to you guys. Just comment it and I will try my best to do it. Thank you.